Tired of art time turning into messy time? Let's turn that chaos into creativity with the all-in-one Funskool Art Studio bin, the smartest art organizer your child will ever need. This vibrant and multifunctional art station is packed with everything your little artist needs to draw, paint, color, and stay organized. Perfect for kids aged 5 and above. Inside this puzzle-style bin, you'll find 6 liquid paints, 6 sketch pens, 8 coloring pencils, 10 crayons, and 2 glitter tubes, an eraser and sharpener, a paintbrush, 2 coloring sheets, and a stencil, 2 cups for water, and a palette to mix colors, all neatly organized in compartments with a lid to keep everything tidy. Use the upper compartments to hold sketch pens, color pencils, and glitter tubes. The base stores larger items like paints and brushes. There's a palette for mixing and a cup holder for water. When you're done, just close the lid and everything stays in place, ready for next time. There's even a special space just for adhesive tape, so it never goes missing mid-project. But wait, there's more! A secret compartment for your kids to hide anything their little hearts desire. From coloring and painting to doodling and organizing, the Funskool Art Studio bin brings everything together in one place. Perfect for gifting, learning, and hours of creative fun. Funskool, true to kids, always.